Hi, my name is Ted Cotter from Inside Moves Relocation Service. I'm the owner of the company. We are a family-owned, full-service moving company in the northern LA area. I started in this business in 1975 and I've had my company since 2000, so 40 plus years of moving and storage. I pretty much know the job. We've been voted #1 in the Daily News Readers Poll because we have the best guys on the truck that are all personally trained.
My name is Francisco. I'm a driver for Inside Moves. I've been working for Inside Moves for 5 years. It's a great company to work for.
My guys are trained from the moment they walk into the front door.
5 years ago, I didn't know anything about moving. Ted gave me the opportunity to learn the business, to get trained basically, and 5 years later, here I am doing my own moves.
My name's Danny. I've been working for Inside Moves for about 10 years now. Inside Moves team, they're close, they're friendly. You're not gonna get no attitude from them.
We're like a family. I'm one of the drivers and one of the foremen. We like to do a good job. We always try to be on the same page with all the guys. I'm for sure working for the best company.
These guys know their trade in and out. I take very good care of them, so they take very good care of you on the trucks. They have a lot of pride in what they're doing. They care about doing a good job, and it shows. That's how come Inside Moves works as well as it does.
My favorite part of moving is my return customers. I love my return customers because I know I did a good job the first time, and I want to make sure I'm going to do a good job the second time because I want them to call me a third time.
I can't think of anything better than a call saying, these guys were absolutely amazing. We do over 400 moves a year, and I would say 99% of them are calls like that saying, your guys were fantastic.
We like to do a good job and keep our clients happy.
Here at Inside Moves, move starts at your front door. We want to provide a stress-free move, so the first thing we're going to do once we come to your front door, after we've introduced ourselves and after we've walked through the house, we want to find out what's the most important item to you in that household. We're there to solve your problems. That's why my guys are the best.
We take good care of our customers. You got the best crew here. Right decision by hiring this company.
We specialize in residential moves, office moves, senior moves, storage moves. We also do packing as well and unpacking and crating if you need it. We're pretty much a full-service company.
I go to different places all over California every day. We go east, west, north, south. We try to make our clients happy.
The reason why our senior customers love us is because we slow down and take the time to care about them, take the time to find out their needs, take the time to see what's going to make them happy. We think of them as our own parents. At Inside Moves, everybody's always amazed at how much we can do in one day.
I try to be fast but efficient. That's what a lot of people say about us. They go, these guys, they took such good care of our furniture. Everything's all padded up really nice.
Our goal is at the end of the day, we want to have a happy customer. We want to do such a good job for you that you're more than happy to refer us to your friends, your neighbors, your family without a worry in the world.
We're Inside Moves. We care more about your stuff than you do.